Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to send crypto from Coinbase. To send a particular cryptocurrency from your Coinbase account, the first thing you'll need to do is to open your Coinbase application from your app drawer. Now from the main homepage after logging in, click on the transfer button at the bottom right hand corner. Click on Send Crypto in the expanded menu. Select the available cryptocurrency you want to send and enter the amount of crypto you want to send with the help of the keypad. After you are done, click on Preview at the bottom. Enter the recipient's crypto wallet address and their email address or phone number if they also have a Coinbase account. Finally, click on Send Now in order to send the cryptocurrency to the recipient. If the cryptocurrency you are sending supports multiple networks, choose the appropriate network that your recipient's wallet supports. And that's how you will be able to send cryptocurrency from Coinbase account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.